Need a quick meal with tons of flavor? Yeah, well, let's cook my famous white wine chicken breast. To start, we're going to season with adobo, black pepper, coriander, ground ginger, and chili powder. You're going to go ahead and rub and pat it in at the same time. Flip the breast over, and we're going to season the back side just like we did the front side. In our skillet, we're going to go ahead and add some extra virgin olive oil. Once that olive oil heats up, we're going to add our chicken breasts. These are thinly sliced chicken breasts because they cook faster and there's no need to tenderize them. Now, because we're sauteing them, I did put 4 inside the pan. If you're going to bread and fry these, only put 3. Once you see them start browning, you can go ahead and flip them over. You do not want to cook them 100% because we will add these back into the sauce and they will continue to cook, so you don't want to dry them out. Look at this juiciness. Oh my God, who hates the word moist? So into the same skillet, you're going to go ahead and add a tablespoon and a half of minced garlic, about a tablespoon and a half of butter, a whole yellow onion, as well as some sliced mushrooms. Stir those babies up, get everything combined all together like a nice happy family. Add a nice bundle size amount of thyme and go ahead and stir a little bit more. I just love one pot meals. If you love one pot meals, leave a comment and say yes. Go ahead now and add some black pepper. You can season to your liking, and you're also going to add some paprika as well. Alrighty, and we're going to go ahead and stir. Alright, so now we're going to go ahead and add our wine. I used Pinot Grigio. Chardonnay would go well with this as well. It's nice and dry. Let the wine boil for about 3 to 5 minutes to cook the alcohol out. Please take a moment and show me a little love. Give me a heart on this video. Share the video with your family and your lovely friends. Go ahead and leave a comment as well for any type of feedback that you have. Now that the alcohol has boiled out, we will go ahead and add our chicken breast back into the sauce and let everything simmer together for about 3 to 5 minutes. And guess what, folks? Dinner is done. Go ahead, kick off your shoes and relax your feet. Enjoy your dinner. This your girl, JKellz. Again, please go ahead, share this video, show me a little love, and you all be blessed. Peace.